Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you about Franco-Mexican War. The Franco-Mexican War, also known as the Pastry War, was a conflict that took place between 1838 and 1839 between France and Mexico. The war was sparked by a dispute over unpaid debts and damages to French-owned businesses in Mexico. In the early 19th century, Mexico was in financial turmoil and defaulted on its debt payments to foreign countries, including France. In addition, there were a number of incidents in which French citizens and businesses in Mexico were harmed or their property damaged. These incidents led to a growing sense of anger and frustration among the French government and citizens. In 1838, France sent a naval force to Mexico to demand payment for the unpaid debts and damages. The Mexican government, led by President Anastasio Bustamante, refused to pay and instead ordered the French ships to leave Mexican waters. The French ships, however, refused to leave and instead began to bombard the Mexican port of Veracruz. The war quickly escalated, with the French landing troops on the Mexican coast and marching inland. The Mexican forces, however, were poorly equipped and trained and were quickly defeated by the French. In the ensuing months, the French captured a number of key Mexican cities, including the capital, Mexico City. The war came to an end in 1839, with the signing of the Treaty of Cordoba. Under the terms of the treaty, Mexico agreed to pay France a large indemnity and to cede the state of Texas to France. The war had a significant impact on Mexico, leaving the country in a state of economic and political turmoil and leading to further conflicts in the coming years. Overall, the Franco-Mexican War was a short but significant conflict in the history of Mexico and France. It had long-lasting consequences for both countries and served as a reminder of the power struggles between European nations and their colonies in the 19th century.